Welcome to my channel. Hello fellas, welcome. My name is V. Today we are going to learn how to call Indonesians generous. So let's get started without any further ado, shall we? About honorifics in Indonesian. We have so many of them. As far as I know, English has Mr., Sir, Miss, Ma'am, Madam, Mistress, what else? Anyway, we are not talking about English now. In Indonesian, we have the equivalent words for those. Tuan for Mr., Nyonya for Mistress or Madam, Nona for Miss, Bu for Ma'am, Pak for Sir. Well, actually, the honorifics Pa and Bu are kinda generalization, or we call it expansion of meaning, from father and mother. Father is Bapak, mother is Ibu. But we could call strangers as Bapak and Ibu as well here. It doesn't mean you consider them as parents. Everybody just knows that you are showing your respect to us. However, the honorific words I have been teaching now are really old school. We don't call people as Tuan, Nyonya, or Nona these days. Maybe you still could find them on subtitles or old novels. Well, I don't know. But calling us as Tuan, Nyonya, and Nona these days are pretty strange. It really feels like those three words show the superiority of one person over others. We used these words to refer to Dutch people during the colonial era to show our respect to them. But actually, we still use them now to refer an employee or a boss inside the house. I mean, in the housemaid's point of view. Yes, sometimes the housemaid is still called the house owner as Tuan, Nyonya, and Nona. But I think it's gonna be better if you just call Pa and Bu instead of Tuan and Nyonya. Actually, it has anything to do with the family name because not all Indonesians have family name. Well, I don't have it. Okay, let's move on to the casual way to call Indonesians. If you think we are younger than you, you could call us Adik. Dik for short. Sometimes we read it as Adik to be more casual. Well, it's wrong anyway. But you know what? Personally, I dislike being called Adik. I mean, only my brother and my relatives could call me Adik. Well, I don't know, but I hate when strangers just call me Adik. I'd be like, hey, excuse me, I'm not your sister. Well, yeah. To avoid sensitive people like me, you better call us kakak. Kak for short. That's a really neutral way to call young people. And you could use it for male or female. If you went to the Jawa, for example, you're in special region of Yogyakarta, it is gonna be better if you call the female young people as Mbak and male young people as Mas. Mbak and Mas. And if you went to our capital city, Jakarta, you'd meet Betawi tribe. Maybe on the street, if you want to buy souvenir or food, you could call them abang, bang, for male young people. kakak or mbak for young female. I think if you call mas in Jakarta for young male, they would feel respected even more than you call them abang. But I'm not really sure about that. So repeat after me. Pak, Bu, Mas, Mbak, Bang, Kak, Dik. So you could say, selamat pagi Pak, pagi Bu, selamat siang Mas, siang Mbak, selamat sore Bang, sore Kak, selamat malam Dek. Oh, I forgot. You only call Dek to kids in elementary school. Usually teenagers dislike to be called adik. They would say, hey, I'm not a kid anymore. So just call them kak. It is a really neutral way to call us. For myself, I preferred to be called mbak or kak or just simply my name. Well, I think that's all. With always full of love regards, V stops chattering.